Hi friends, today as you can see I got a whole crew lined up. Actually, I decided to bring out a few because the rain finally ceased, and even though it's a little bit cloudy, but I think it's still a perfect day to fly. Actually, every day it's a perfect day to fly. So we're gonna have fun today, and let's see here which one we're gonna start with. 5 of them ready to go, ready to rumble. Let's see here. I think we're gonna start with the protocol KAPTUR GPS II. It is a fine drone and I enjoy flying it. So let's go. Oh, it's drifting. Normally it will take off and go up straight, maybe to about 10 feet. Then I would have to bring it down, but today it just drifted away. So I hope it's gonna be a smooth and safe flight we're gonna have. Yeah. Oh, missed the crash right there. Yeah. Oh no! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Take it easy, man. Wow, that was a tough one right there. Ah, yeah. Lost one of its landing gear. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh. Oh Lord. Yeah. Let me pick it up and put it back. One of its landing gear came off when I had the first crash. Oh Lord. Thank goodness it's still flying. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, like as I was saying, it's a very fine drone, and it flies really good and almost comparable to the Vivita Aeroview video drone, one of my most favorite drones. And yeah, I actually enjoy flying this one too. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh Lord. Yeah, look at this. Look at this baby right there. Hovers like a champion. I haven't actually tested out its camera since I acquired it. I don't know. I think my next video about this drone will be to test its camera quality. You know, it has a SD slot, and it should be pretty straightforward and easy to make videos out of it. So we're gonna test that out in our next video, or one of our subsequent videos. Oh no, another crash. Yeah. This time around it looks serious. Oh no. Oh, I see two two landing gears out already. Oh Lord. I hope it is not damaged. Anyway, let's put it back on and try and see if we can go or get airborne. I was having too much fun. Oh Lord, back to the drawing board. Okay. Yep. Oh. I'm really happy about this drone. Yeah. Takes a beating, dust it off, and right back on. Takes off real good, flies real good. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Woo-wee. Oh yeah. It is so much fun flying today. After having been tormented by the bad weather. It feels so good out here, my man. Oh, I see the low battery signal. So let's land this baby and let's move on to the next one. Oh yeah, I got 5 of them out today, and hopefully if I have a good weather tomorrow or on another day, I'll bring out another set. But this was an exciting flight, and hopefully the other ones or the other flights I'll have in a short while will be as exciting as this one. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, comment below, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.